how to shave with a safety razor. I'm about to show you why it's the best thing you can do for your legs. Always start by soaking your skin in warm water. This softens the hair and makes shaving so much easier and less painful. If you've got a good natural shaving cream, use it. Apply a layer and let it absorb into your skin for about 30 seconds. Now for the razor. Carefully twist the base of the razor to open the head, slide the blade in and lock it tight. Be careful, these blades are sharp. Now let's shave. Hold the razor at about a 35-degree angle. Don't press down, just let the weight of the razor do the work. It's not like your old disposable, so take it slow and glide gently. And here's a pro tip. Hold the razor at the top of the handle. It helps you resist the urge to press down, which can lead to cuts or irritation. Once you're done, pop the used blade into a recycling bin. Then moisturize your legs to keep them soft and smooth. And that's it. Shaving with a safety razor is easy, eco-friendly, and your legs will be smoother than ever. Ready to make the switch? Check out Lane 44 safety razor kits and start shaving smarter today.